TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Thursday morning. 30 minutes to go until that opening bell, and we got markets in positive territory. Weekly jobless claims, 4.4 million, slightly above estimates. Market shaking it off, higher territory we go. S&P's up 16 points right now, trading at 2804. NASDAQ up 53 at 8691. The Dow up 80 points at 23,440. We'll start things off. Let's jump over to the charts. And why not? We'll start it off with the headline of the day, actually. U.S. weekly jobless claims hit 4.4 million, bringing the 5-week total to more than 26 million jobs have been lost. For some representation and context of where that is, that's more than all the jobs created since the Great Recession ended in 2009. Jobs lost during that recession, almost 9 million. We're far above that number now. Pretty remarkable action, all in the span of about 5 weeks. Jumping back to the charts, we'll start it off with the Dow, 23,426. You see the acceleration since about 8:15. We're up more than 100 Dow points. Highs overnight at about 23,491, and right where we were at 3:45 p.m. Eastern Time before a little bit of a sell-off in the final 15 minutes of the market, we made it up to about 23,488. S&P is trading at 2803. We just rose above where we were trading at as of 2:30 in the morning and actually made it above where we were at yesterday afternoon. That high 2805, right where we were trading at right now. We made it as high as 2806 this morning so far. NASDAQ 100 also above where we were yesterday afternoon, as well as the overnight highs, 86.86. Crude oil trading higher, finally catching a bid. You see the action yesterday morning. We were at a 10 handle in crude early yesterday. Make it up to a 16 handle by 10 a.m. this morning. We're now making session highs at 16.74. Gold contract up to 17.57. We've pulled back a bit to 17.44, and the euro-US dollar under 108 at 107.90. In terms of other headlines out there, Target getting quite a boost as they have same-store sales increasing 7%. Quite a number. Sales inside the stores are down, but online sales have doubled compared to the same period last year. But what they also say in there is that costs are going to be up, and they are selling items that are lower margin, could be a hit on profit. Target from 106.84 right at 100 right now, trading pre-market this morning down on that news. And we'll wrap it up. Tyson Foods, they're closing the largest pork plant in the country. 3.9% of the pork they process, 2,800 workers. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento coming up live at 9. We'll be right back.